for now. And then as soon as I got that one, I know you're into your line, check it. We're dropping this stern line and we'll start getting when you're ready there.
Yeah, and I'm side of the stern here, so yeah, so we'll have to let out enough line so that I can, still come around. But for now, we'll just leave it the way it is. Okay. Come up here once.
Robbie?
You got nothing closer to the middle on the stern here?
Thing you got there, gainer, is either out way off the starboard side here, same spot you're hooked up to on the port side there. Got a southwest pull, just pulling it to the dock wall. As soon as you do, we'll go ahead and drop that bow line. I'll drop my 2 aft lines. I'm sorry. I agree, Robbie. Yep, I agree with you. We'll take her nice and slow as we can. Like I said, as soon as you're into your line and pulling to the south, we'll drop that port bow line. Then I'll drop my 1 aft lead, my 1 forward lead. We'll keep our port lead on, keep her tight to the dock wall on the stern. And as soon as the gainer's in, I'll have him check her to the south to try to keep her up against the wall as you're checking south too and pulling west. I think we'll be just fine. Let's go ahead and drop our forward lead here and our way aft lead here, and go ahead and drop our bow line, port bow line.
Copy that. We're dropping it right now, Joey.
Both our aft lines are slack except for our check lines. Boat hasn't moved at all. Our bow line's slack. Boat's still sitting still. Here for a minute.
Up here, Joey.
4, thank you.
Thing's riding with me all the way over the side here. Give me room here. I might end up putting up another wire for a bridle.
For Jimmy, we are moving to the east, picking up a little bit on the west pole, please. Sway has stopped.
Closing.
It's opening up. Jimmy picking up on a stealth check as you're pulling west here. It's slowly moving to the east. It's opened up. Bow opened up to about 15 feet, slowly opening. Stern's opened up to about 1.5 feet off the dock wall. Jimmy's checking to the south as you're going west. Bow, maybe try to help check her to the south, please. Aft line.
About 10 feet and closing on the bow on the north wall.
Alright, our bow is still slowly opening, about 25-30 feet on the bow, opened up to the north. Picking up a little bit harder there, Jimmy. We are just barely creeping along to the west here. We still got 1 line down.
Am I gonna hear anything from you?
Slowly move to the south now, Jimmy. Slowing down on that check and just going straight west with her. Stern is still sitting tight up against the wall. We're riding against the bumpers here. Looks like our bow is slowly closing to the south, slowly, down to about 25 and open yet. Not closing yet. Stern, we're holding steady yet. Looking really good on the south wall. Check line here.
It's daylight on the aft end of the gainer there with the Cort.
Right this way. I don't think I got another bridle, but I don't think they're long enough.
On the bow.
Straight full there, Jimmy. Looks like the gainer has some room. Opened up on the stern from the gainer about 25-30 feet. Getting ready to come into the line.
Closing on the bow.
Elevating Door County's beauty, one flight at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.